welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the January Cozmobox. Now this is very late, I do apologise. It actually only arrived about 10 days ago, but I was actually in the hospital when it arrived, so I haven't had a chance to film until now. So yeah, let's jump into today's box. If you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out, and if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So before we jump into the contents, I did want to mention that I do have a discount code for you guys now. It is Pure Lottie and it will get you 10% off your very first box with Cozmobox. So let's jump into the contents. Okay, so first up, it's in the same really nice box. It's got its little cute strap with it. I've been actually reusing these boxes for my giveaways when I send a giveaway out because they're actually quite nice packaging. So you've got your little card in here telling you everything that will be in today's box. So the theme was New Year, New Look. Now this was quite delayed in being sent, and then it was stuck at like one of our main depots here in Perth for like 3 weeks before being delivered. So yeah, it's been a long time for this box here. But let's get to what's in here. So my first item in here is from Estee Lauder. So it has come all bubble wrapped. So let's quickly open it up. Okay, so here it is. It's in this really nice packaging. Now this is a essence lotion. It is 200 mils, so it is a full size. This actually retails for $193. Oh my god, this is a stunning packaging. Look at that. I was not expecting that. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Okay, so it's a skin activating treatment lotion, fresh with Sakura ferment. So it says that it is a water-like formula. Your skin will feel softer and smoother as it is nourished with essential nutrients. Renewing balancing formula helps reveal skin's inner glow. So to use this, after cleansing, apply with your hands or a cotton pad, AM and PM, follow with your serum and moisturizer. So this sounds really nice, and I think I might actually give this a try. I've just gotten into things like this. I'm actually currently using one that's from LMS, so when I finish that, I might try this out and see what I think of this. Again, it retails for $193, so this is absolutely amazing. Wow, I'm really surprised by the first item in the box. So the second product in here is from Isden. It is a photo protector, fusion water. Just trying to work out what it is. Okay, it's a sunscreen. So this is what it looks like. Unfortunately, I am allergic to a lot of different sunscreens. So I will pass this on to my mother-in-law or pop it in a giveaway for one of you guys. This retails for $40 and it is a full size, so it's 50 mils. Basically, it's an SPF 50 plus that's a facial sunscreen that offers daily protection from solar radiation and helps prevent signs of aging. It's ideal for outdoor activities. This 2-in-1 sunscreen keeps your skin hydrated and moistening your eyes. With its anti-aging properties, it is the perfect daily sunscreen for those looking to protect their skin from the sun and maintain a youthful appearance. This sounds really good. I think my mother-in-law might actually like this. She's really into good sunscreens, so yeah, she might actually want that one. The third product in here is from Kenzo, and it is a deluxe size body cream, so it's 50 mils. So it just comes in a box like this. Now it retails for $19.90 and is in a cute little tube like this. So this luxurious cream moisturizes, softens and perfumes the skin, leaving it feeling silky smooth. Its formula includes Beldinuit, I don't know if that's pronounced correctly, to soothe and moisturize. It's got Kapua butter to nourish and fig to soften. Its effectiveness is enhanced by rice plant water, which is 100% natural and extracted without chemicals. Sounds like a good moisturizer. I will pass this one on as well. I don't like perfumed or fragranced skincare, so yeah, I'll pass it on to someone that does prefer to have their skincare fragrance or pop it in a giveaway for one of you guys. Okay, number 4 is a Prada perfume. So it's just a little deluxe size. It's valued at $9.90. Okay, it came in this little packet, but it has fallen out. So it's just here. but it's missing half its contents. I don't know whether it's like leaked in there because it doesn't look like it has, or whether it was only halfway filled. But basically it is Infusion Dearest EDP. So it's essential interpretation of iris with a mix of Italian Mandarin, Tunisian Nirola, Galbanum, and heart of orris and base notes of cedar wood, benzoin and incense. So you basically spritz a small amount onto your pulse points and it helps release the aroma of the fragrance, making it more noticeable and longer lasting. So it sounds really good. Let's give it a quick smell. It's not my favourite scent. I mean, I could get away with wearing it, but yeah, definitely not my favourite scent. I think it's a bit more for a mature person. I definitely like my sweeter things. It's probably something that I would see my mother-in-law wearing, or somebody who has, you know, a more of a mature sort of scent. I definitely don't have a mature scent. I like my, you know, candy scents or fruity scents more. I will pass it on to my mother-in-law and see if she would like it. That retailed for $9.90. Number 5 is from Filgora, and it's a mini meso mask. So it just comes like this. I think I actually got one of these last year. I think it was either in the advent calendar or one of their boxes. But basically it's a 15ml deluxe size. It retails for $29 Australian, and it's an intense enhancing mask to illuminate and brighten the complexion, smooth the appearance of wrinkles, and visibly reduce the signs of skin fatigue. So to use, you just apply a thick layer of the mask on the whole face, an eye area, neck and neckline. Leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes and remove with a wet cotton pad. So that sounds really, really nice. Okay, and the lucky last item in here is a notebook. So this is from Chloe, and it retails for $25 Australian. It's just come packaged like this, so let me just open it up. Okay, so this is it inside. So it's just like a white sort of journal, and it does have Chloe down the bottom. It's just got this cute like linen fabric tie on the side. Let's have a look on the inside. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I like it. Okay, so it's got like 2 little notepads in it. So this one here has like a perfume and then another perfume on here. And then, I'm not sure if you can see, but the edges are gold. Let me have a look inside. Okay, yeah, they're just blank pages on the inside. Just edged with the gold on the outside. But that's really, really pretty. Now, I am a massive list person. I have to have a list for everything, especially with how sick I've gotten lately. I'm having trouble with my memory because I'm not sleeping a lot. So, especially now, I'm having to make more and more lists, like to-do lists and things like I've got to do so I don't forget them. So I definitely will use this. So that's really, really cute that we got a little, you know, journal in here. I love getting things that are out of the norm. So things like, you know, hair accessories or jewelry or things like this. This excites me heaps. But basically it says here it is a luxurious and stylish accessory that is perfect for jotting down notes, ideas and thoughts in style. This notebook is from the popular fashion house Chloe and is a chic 8x6 size. It comes in 3 elegant colours and is the perfect way to add a touch of luxury to your daily routine. So that's really, really exciting. So it does have a February sneak peek in here, but I have actually just got an email from Cozmobox yesterday, and the February box is extremely delayed. They were still waiting for some products which haven't, unfortunately, still gotten here, so they're having to send the boxes out with different products in. So I don't know whether that product is actually going to be in Feb's edition or not, and it still hasn't shipped yet, and it is, when I'm filming this, it's the 2nd of March currently. So hopefully I will have that soon. I have spoken to them about fixing my express postage, because I do pay for it, so they offered me either a refund for the last 2 months of express postage or if I wanted a free gift. So I said throw in a free gift because, you know, it was only an extra few dollars, so yeah, I'd prefer to get a little gift. I'm already out of the money anyway, so yeah, I'm excited to see what next box is. This one was very much skincare orientated, so I would like to see a little bit more makeup in the boxes. Hopefully February will have some makeup in in there. So that's all that was in the box. If you want to sign up for Cozmobox yourself, don't forget to use my code down below, Pure Lottie, to get yourself 10% off your very first box with Cozmobox. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!